Welcome. If you've recently noticed notifications popping up every time someone uses your template on the Pinterest app for PC, you're not alone. With Pinterest's new update, these alerts can get a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, there's a simple way to stop them from bothering you. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps to prevent those notifications and keep your Pinterest experience smooth and distraction-free. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look toward the left side menu and find the gear icon. This is where Pinterest stores all the settings you need to customize your account experience. Click on the gear icon and it will open the settings window. From there, navigate to the notifications section. This is where you control all the alerts and updates that Pinterest sends you. Inside notifications, look for the category labeled Collages at Pins You Published. This is specifically where Pinterest tracks interactions like someone using your templates or adding to your published pins. When you find this option, click it to reveal further controls. You'll see a push notification option here. To stop these notifications, simply disable this push setting. This action turns off the alerts that tell you whenever your templates are being used or modified. After you've disabled push for this category, the final step is crucial. Don't forget to click Save. This ensures that your new preferences are stored, and your notifications for template use will no longer interrupt your Pinterest activities. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've taken control over your notifications, making Pinterest work better for you without unnecessary interruptions. No more constant pop-ups every time someone interacts with your templates. Thanks for watching.